Aloha! I hope you guys can hear me alright because I am right next to the fan and the window. It's a nice little breeze out tonight. Y'all hear me okay? I'm gonna have to do a test run, I don't know. But anyway, so it is Saturday night and I do the past, present, and future readings for fire signs and air signs. Pardon me. Are you guys feeling a little, you guys feeling like something is collapsing, like a plan or, yo, what going on? What y'all got going on? No. Anyway, y'all feel like something is collapsing, like a plan is like, maybe you're kind of done with a certain phase of your life. We're gonna do past, present, and future. I had to get my coffee. I've been gone for a while because I've been trying to recharge, It's been a lot going on. I got so much going on. One of the things being my boutique, if you haven't checked it out, it's Daisy Ray's Boutique. DaisyRays.com, and it's an online boutique where right now I just sell clothes because I was selling a whole bunch of stuff at once, like tarot cards and crystals and stuff. I was also selling like some home decor and just like anything that I liked. I would just like sell it. But I think I was getting like a confused customer base, you know what I mean? And then I was also selling CBD, but then my Shopify payments weren't going through because they didn't support the sale of CBD. So I got a lot of different projects going on. On one hand, on my nails, I have this nail polish. I might go ahead and create a nail polish brand. You heard it here first. This one is supposed to be halal, so like if you're Islamic, it's supposed to be breathable, but some Islamic women don't go for that anyway because they feel like, well, it still can't get to the base of the nail, and they just prefer to have bare nails unless it's during that one like week of the month where you're not doing your prayers. But I mean, it is breathable and it dries really quickly. I mean, I messed it up because I was in a hurry, but you can't even tell. I love the white. And also I got this lip gloss. Okay, they're gonna sell on this too. Okay, this one is called Saltwater Kisses, like the beach. Okay, anyway, and I got my coffee because like I said, I just been feeling so like drained. Let's get into your reading though. It's been almost 3 minutes. So in your past energy, I do here have the Seven of Cups. So like a lot of options. It is in reverse, so like I was mentioning, like plans falling down or something like that. Things just not really coming together well, possibly just disregarding it. We also have the Six of Pentacles, and that too kind of shows me it's like perhaps someone has fallen from grace, and you kind of need like a little bit of help, or you're giving somebody help, like even though you may not be doing well. Like, what this card is giving me, it's like when somebody doesn't know that you're doing well, or like you don't know somebody's doing well and they give you something, and then like, okay, to me it's like this, like if a child's father is showing up at their baby mother's house, but they look real bummy or something, to try and throw that woman off her scent, you know what I mean? Be like, wow, my baby father is a bum, you know what I mean? So that way he'll think that, but in the reality, y'all are living it up, you know what I mean? So I guess I kind of mean like it's secretive, you know what I mean? Like you're not letting anybody know what's going on, even if you did have a failing plan. Nobody really knows what's going on, you know what I mean? But in the shadows, you're kind of like, you're just kind of like, well, on to the next one, kind of disappointed that didn't work out. But and also I didn't tell you, I'm so sorry, this is for air signs. This is air sign. Okay, next in the present position, and this is like awkward because like I got this light on and like my window's right here and there's no curtain. Whatever. Anyway, so here we have, oh, I'm sorry, you guys are seeing it backwards. Anyway, we have the Tower card. Look at that. I was talking about stuff falling and my cards kept falling, and like, okay, Tower card, and Ace of Swords, and the Hanged Man, okay? So, with that being said, it's hot even with this fan right here. With that being said, I definitely feel like you're not one to give up on this, you know what I mean? You're definitely like, alright, that didn't work, I understand that it didn't work, I'm on to a new plan, like let me cut through and see why it didn't work. So like trial and error. There's so many sayings, and I love like cliche sayings because there's so many ways to explain this situation, but it's like, you know, people will say you can hit rock bottom as many times as you need to, but you know, as long as you get up and work towards, you know, your goals. The only problem is like, don't be insane, like, and by that I mean don't do the same thing over and over expecting a different result. Like if you're going toward a goal and you keep trying to go the same way every single time, it's not going to work. Like it didn't work the first or 10th time, so you need to try a different way about getting your goals met, you know what I mean? And oh, that coffee is so good. So yeah, figure out what didn't work the first time. Keep trying stuff, keep trying stuff, keep trying. You know what I mean? And don't let people know too much. You know what I mean? I'm telling you guys, I've been going through some things. I've been dealing with different, like, you know, business aspects. Some of them are not really, you know, coming together as well as I hoped, but I'm still hopeful, you know? And I'm trying to see what's working and what doesn't. So here we have as you can see, the Death card, okay? The Queen of Pentacles, and oh, look at that, the Ten of Cups. So I apologize if I'm a little rusty, you know what I'm saying? It's been a few weeks. But anyway, so I definitely do see that you are ready to be like out with the old, in with the new, right? Like if you have a brand, you're trying to break down that brand and like build it back up. Like one of the ways that you might be doing that is like archiving or deleting, whatever, archiving your old photos. And if I just went cross-eyed, I saw a piece of dust, so I don't know if I did or not, but it felt like I did, and I was like, I feel like I need to explain that. Anyway, so yeah, like I was saying, it's it looks like you're going to, in this reading here, my intuitive reading, I feel like you are not giving up on this. You are going to, I mean, yes, it may have been disappointing, but that's not enough to keep you from trying again. You know what I mean? You fail 100, how does the saying go? I love using sayings because they're so profound and they're literally just like, you know what the fuck is going on. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take, right? Okay. And sometimes we grow out of interest in certain things. It's like if you were selling makeup and you're like, you know, I really don't like makeup, so I would like to sell clothes, you know what I mean? And you're like, it's not really working for me, I don't have a passion. I mean, eventually you're gonna want to settle on something. I don't want to say settle, but you know what I mean? Eventually you're gonna decide something, and you know, you'll be passionate about it. And no job is great all the time, you know, but you just gotta keep thinking about what puts you in that position where you want it to be at, you know. I've been talking a long time. I apologize. I love getting on here and, you know, letting you know what I see in these readings. I did not expect it to go on this long. So yeah, just keep trying. If you feel like, oh, I want to give up, don't do that. Do not do that. You need to think of other ways to formulate and execute this plan, and you know what I mean, eventually something will stick. You know what I mean? Okay, air signs, take care.